I'm Evelyn Abrams Terry. I am his granddaughter. Well, we're at the brickyard, the George Black House and Brickyard. My grandfather was born in 1879 and came to Winston-Salem in 1889. And in 1889, when he, his brother, and his father landed here, they came looking for a better life. This is the place where my grandfather landed to reassemble an old mud mill that had been given to him. And it's where he established his business. The Depression came, things were bad, and that's how he got the old broken down mud mill. He reassembled it and began to make bricks. When he decided to put that mud mill back together and make bricks, he knew he had the capacity to mold them and shape them and burn them. All of that was in his head, and this is where we are. It's beyond interesting. I mean, I've been trying to figure it out for all these years. I just don't know. He was an extraordinary man, I'll tell you. That's why we're sitting here at this place that needs desperately to have its rightful place in the history not only of Winston-Salem, but of the world.